Welcome to Mindful Art at Home, exploring monoprinting. Monoprinting is a printmaking technique that uses a single plate image and produces slightly different prints. Materials required for today's exploration are art paper, paintbrush, paper towel or newspaper, paint palette or a plastic lid from a container, acrylic paint, and a glass or jar of water. Here are some ideas of items you can collect from around your home that have texture. Packaging with embossing, corrugated cardboard, bubble wrap, bottle caps, foil, toothbrushes, sponges, lace or woven fabrics, pumice stone, keys or cutlery. Please note you do not need all these items, just pick 4 to 5 that you already have in your home. Before you get started, pause this video now and get all the materials you need. Remove distractions from your environment and get comfortable and settle into your space. Take a new breath. Check in and see how you're feeling today. And when you're ready, let's begin. Once you've gathered all your materials together, squeeze a pea-sized amount of paint onto your paint palette. It's best to start with a small amount of paint, as you can always add more paint as you need it. Dip the paintbrush into the paint and brush a light layer of paint onto one of your textured items. The item is now a print plate image. This is what we'll use to make prints from. Once you've applied the paint to your object, place the object paint side down onto your paper and press down firmly with your fingers. Remove the object to reveal the print below. You may immediately make a second print using the remaining paint that is left on the item. This is called a ghost print. Or you may apply more paint and continue printing with this object. Now try out all of the objects you have gathered. Explore using all sides of the objects to make prints. For example, if you're using a bottle cap, try printing from both the top and the bottom and the sides of the object. A reminder to make sure you wash your brush in between color changes. Feel free to experiment with adding multiple colors to one item. Try changing the shape of flexible or moldable items. This will create more organic looking prints. You may like to play with creating patterns or building up layers of different textures on top of each other. Keep exploring all the different objects that you have. Once you feel that you've explored all of your items, allow the artwork to dry and notice all the different textures and patterns that you have created. Reflections. What did you discover? How do you feel now? Thank you for taking the time to nurture your creativity at home.